Welcome to the session number 5 of chapter 1 integers of class 7. In the last session we have discussed about two topics of chapter number 1, properties of multiplication of integers and multiplication of integers. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.3. Let's start exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Find each of the following products. Question number 1. A. 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. Here minus sign is all time, means product will be negative. Therefore minus and 3 into 1 is 3. And next is C. Minus 21 into 30. Minus 21 into minus 30. Here negative sign is even time. That means product will be positive. And 21 into 30 is 630. Next E. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Here we can see 0, and if we multiply any integer by 0 then we will get 0. So we can write directly 0. Next F. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Here negative integers are even time, that means 2 time. So product will be positive. 12 into 11 into 10. 12 into 11 is 132 into 10. Therefore 132 into 10, 1320. Next H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 18 into minus 5. Minus minus plus, and 18 into 5 is 90 into minus 4. Here 90 into minus 4 is minus 9 into 4, 360. Now J. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 6 is 18 into minus 2 into minus 1. 18 into minus 2 is minus 36 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, and 36 into 1 is 36. Now come to the question number 2. Verify the following. Means जो हमें two sides given है, LHS and right RHS. LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. The first A. We have LHS. 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Then 18 into 7 plus minus 3, and 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4. 18 into 4 is 72. So LHS is 72. Now RHS equal to, RHS is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 is 126 plus 18 into minus 3 is minus 54. Now 126 plus into minus is minus 54 equal to 72. Now LHS is 72 and RHS is 72. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. That means 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3, hence verified. LHS is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6, then minus 21 into minus 4 plus into minus is minus, then minus 4 minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Now minus minus plus and 21 into 10 is 210. Now RHS. RHS is minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So here we have minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Then minus 21 into 4 is minus minus plus, then 84 plus minus 21 into minus 6 minus minus plus, and 21 into 6 is 126. 84 plus 126 is 210. Here LHS is 210, RHS is 210. Therefore minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6, hence verified. Now come to the question number 3. Roman number 1. For any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Here a is an integer, therefore what will be the minus 1 into a? Here minus 1 into a. So here negative integer is n odd time, means नेगेटिव नंबर कितने टाइम है? ऑड टाइम, और ऑड टाइम होने पर प्रोडक्ट कौन सा होगा? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव? नेगेटिव. देन माइनस एंड 1 into a is a, therefore minus 1 into a is minus a. Roman number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is a. Minus 22 into minus 1. Minus minus plus, and 22 into 1 is 22. We can write only 22. B. 37 into minus 1. Then 37 into 1 is 37, and minus sign is odd time, therefore answer will be negative. C. 0 into minus 1, और 0 को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्रोडक्ट 0. Now come to the question number 4. Starting from minus 1 into 5, Write various products showing some pattern to show -1 into -1 equal to 1. मीन्स हमें -1 इंटू 5 से स्टार्ट करना है और कहाँ तक जाना है, -1 इंटू -1 इक्वल टू 1 तक. सो और फर्स्ट इज -1 इंटू 5 इज -5, -1 इंटू 5 से स्मॉलर नंबर विच इंटीजर 4. तो 5 के बाद 4, तो -1 इंटू 4 इज -4, -1 इंटू 5 4 नेक्स्ट इज 3 इक्वल टू -1 इंटू 3 इज -3, -1 इंटू 5 4 3 2, तो -1 इंटू 2 इज -2, then -1 इंटू 3 2 1 equal to -1, then -1 into 5 4 3 2 1 next integer is 0, -1 into 0 is 0, and after 0 -1. So this is our pattern. A 26 into -48 plus -48 into -36. Here two terms are there, 26 into -48 and -48 into -36. Here -48 and here also -48. So we can use which property? Distributivity property. So we can take common -48 into here 26 plus here -36, and which property? Using distributivity property. So -48 into 26 plus into -36, plus minus minus, then 26 minus 36, -48 into 26 minus 36 is -10. So minus minus plus, and 48 into 10 is 480. Now B 8 into 53 into -125. Here which property we can use? 8 into 53 into -125. So we can multiply first these two numbers, 8 and -125, and which property? कम्यूटेटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी. मीन्स हम नंबर्स को इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं. सो वी कैन राइट 53 इंटू 8 इंटू -125. नाउ 53 इंटू 8 इंटू -125 इज -1000, and 53 into -1000, that means minus and 53,000. Now come to the D. -41 into 102. Here -41 into, we can write 102 as 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 means 102. Which property is? Distributivity property. Means A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Now minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100 या 4100 and plus minus 41 into 2 is minus 82. Now minus 4100 plus into minus is minus 82. Now this one is minus 4182. Now E 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here 625 is positive and here negative. So we can change the negative sign. We can write as 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into minus 65. Now come to the H. H is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So minus 57 into minus 19 plus, we can write 57 as minus 57 into minus 1, because minus 57 into minus 1 is 57. So we can write as 57 as minus 57 into minus 1. Now we can see here minus 57 and minus 57. So minus 57 into minus 19 plus minus 1. Which property is this? Distributive property. So minus 57 into minus 19 and minus 1. Minus 19 and minus 1 is minus 20. 57 and 20 is 1140 and minus into minus is plus. Then answer is 1140. Now come to the question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? That means the initial temperature of the room is 40 degrees Celsius and the rate of decrease, temperature decrease is 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Means per hour कितना temperature कम हो रहा है? 5 degree Celsius. Then what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means ये प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होने के बाद 10 आवर्स के बाद टेम्परेचर कितना होगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Here the initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. So initial temperature of room equal to 40 degrees Celsius. Now पर आवर कितना डिक्रीज हो रहा है? 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो इन 1 आवर रूम टेम्परेचर लोअर बाई पर आवर कितना डिक्रीज? 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. आफ्टर 10 आवर after 10 hours room temperature lowered by इक्वल टू 1 आवर में 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो 10 आवर में कितना डिक्रीज होगा? मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10, देन 10 इंटू 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मीन्स टेम्परेचर कितना डिक्रीज हो जाएगा 10 आवर्स में? 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस. देयरफॉर आफ्टर 10 hours room temperature will be equal to 40 degrees Celsius. What you have to do? Plus or minus? Minus, because temperature is decreasing. So minus how much? 50 degree Celsius. Then 50 degree Celsius. Now 40 degree Celsius minus 50 degree Celsius. So 40 minus 50. Positive or negative integer? Negative, because the negative number is greater. So minus 10 degree Celsius. Therefore after 10 hours room temperature will be minus 10 degree Celsius. Now come to the question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempt. Means a class test में total questions are 10 and for correct answer 5 marks and for incorrect answer minus 2 marks and 0 for not attempt. So Roman number 1. Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So question number 7. Marks given for 1 correct answer equal to 5 and marks given for 1 incorrect answer equal to minus 2 and 0 for not attempt. So Roman number 1. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. So Mohan's score is, Mohan got score equal to, here 4 correct answer. 4 correct answer means 4 into, for 1 correct answer is 5 marks. So 4 marks for 4 questions, 4 into 5 plus 6 incorrect answers. 6 incorrect answer means 6 into minus 2. So 4 into 5 is 20 plus 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Now 20 plus minus is minus, 20 minus 12 equal to 8. Therefore Mohan's score is 8 marks. Now Roman number 2. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So Reshma got score equal to, here 5 correct answer. 5 correct answer means 5 into, for 1 correct answer 5 marks. So for 5 correct answer is 5 into 5 plus, and 5 incorrect answer. So 5 incorrect answer, for 1 incorrect answer means minus 2. So 5 into minus 2. Here 5 into 5 is 25 plus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 25 plus minus is minus 25 minus 10 equal to 15. Therefore Reshma's score is 15. Now Roman number 3rd. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempted. What is her score? So Hina's score is, Hina got score equal to 2 correct answer. So for 2 correct answer is 2 into 5 plus 5 incorrect answer, 5 into minus 2 out of 7, and equal to 2 into 5 is 10 plus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 equal to 10 plus minus is minus, and minus 10 equal to 10 minus 10 is 0. Therefore Hina's score is 0. Now come to the question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. So question number 9. A. Minus 3 into equal to 27 मीन्स माइनस 3 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें में पॉजिटिव 27 मिले. दैट मीन्स हेयर शुड बी नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. सो इफ वी डिवाइड 27 by 3 then we got 9. So here should be minus 9. So minus minus plus, and 3 into 9 is 27. B. 5 into equal to minus 35. Here 5 into equal to minus 35 means negative. So here should be a negative integer. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. There should be minus 7. Now 5 into 7 is 35 and minus sign. Therefore either minus sign. Now C. Into minus 8 equal to minus 56. Here minus 8 and here is minus 56. That means if we divide 56 by 8 then we got 7, and ans product is minus 56. That means negative. So there should be a positive integer. So which positive integer? 56 by 8 is 7. So here should be 7. Now D. Into minus 12 equal to 132. Here minus 12 and another integer product is positive. So here negative. So there should be a negative integer. So 132 divided by 12 is 11. Then there should be minus 11. Minus minus plus, and 11 into 12 is 132. Today we have discussed exercise 1.3, and in the next session we will discuss two topics: properties of division of integers and division of integers. So that's all for today's session. Thank you and have a good day.